Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we've got a Hot Wheels car, obviously which is not sold in stores. And if I give you a glimpse of it, it's a Hot Wheels Light 64. So this came in mail a few days ago, and it's a Hot Wheels Light 64 McLaren M6GT. So this is something I guess that sits above the premium. So if you want to get something from Hot Wheels and more detailed and more focus oriented, not I'll say more feature oriented Hot Wheels. So this is the next step, I guess. And it comes in this protector. I know some people like to collect, keep them carded, but I am not one of those. So nice protector though, has Hot Wheels branding if you look here. See, maybe something else can go in there. So packaging wise, it looks like how you have a premium Hot Wheels premium car package, something like that, but very different, thick card. Says McLaren M6GT number 12. So I think there are like different light models. Unlike any other Hot Wheels, it mentions the details of the car. You see, born in United Kingdom, produced from 1967 to 1970, length, width, height, engine, transmission, it mentions all that. So it's slightly different than your usual Hot Wheels premium. Yes. Now we are here to look at this casting. So we are going to open it up and see what does it offer. Now before we go deep dive into it, as a quick look, and so that if you don't want to go deep in the video, you can just have a look around and see how does it look. And I can see a lot of good details, and if I have to compare it to something, I will compare it to those premium Mini GT. That's what I have, a poster car. I don't know if I'm going to compare it to Poppers, maybe. So it's like a premium casting, like what you see in the market from other manufacturers. Now let's deep dive into it. Here is the Hot Wheels Light McLaren M6GT, and it has some weight to it, so it feels slightly heavier than most of the Hot Wheels premium. Now I'm going to start from the front. So there are a lot of good details in the front, as you can see, McLaren badge. The headlamp details are really good. I haven't seen that kind of detail on any Hot Wheels. You got the glass, you got the headlamp inside, you got the front grille which is detailed. Mirrors again look awesome. It look like what you will see on the actual car, with a big windshield wiper. So there is big hole, not hole, I think design element or vent, maybe it's intercooler, I don't know. Then they've got more grills here. I'm not sure if it had two fuel filler or it's something else. It looks good. Got the detail around the windscreen. Now it's a right hand drive, born in UK. So moving to the driver's side, good details there. Nice rubber tires with those really good looking wheels which look really good and original. Then you've got this side piece which again looks very nice. You got all the details there, ribbons and everything. I like the orange paint too. You got door handle details, then you have the glass, then small cutout like most of the race cars. So a lot of good details here, and I think it looks really nice. Now strap to hold the, because the rear engine to hold the hood, I would say. Moving to the rear, again nice details there, painted details. You can see the exhaust coming from inside that. Obviously it's a race car, so it's a number plate, but there is space for that. Moving to the passenger or co-driver side, looks almost identical. Tires are different size and they're like, they look like what you see on an actual car. The details on the rims or wheels look nice. It's black and then silver on out. Looks good, really good. Now this is how it looks from the top, and this is how the base looks. Again, metal base, a lot of good details. You can see the details for the exhaust. Looks really good. And just like the other Hot Wheels Light, it is made in China rather than Thailand or where else is made, wherever Hot Wheels is made. But this one has ribbons on it. Now, this comes with a opening hood, the rear obviously. And the engine details are awesome on this one. You can see the exhaust, you can see the engine, you can see those barrels. You can, like, there are so many good details here, and I never expected a Hot Wheels to have that much details. But I know it's a light, so yeah, a lot of good details. Even on the interior, you can see the steering wheel and everything. It's have nice details on it. It looks really good. But a lot of details on it. Even you can see those minor details right down there. And see, it's a different, I don't know if that's a fuel tank or something else, but that's different. On this side you don't have that. And yeah, it looks really good. When you close the hood, you can still see that on the back. So I wasn't expecting something like this, but then again, I didn't have any experience with the Hot Wheels Elite. So yeah, I think you can buy them from Metal's website. I did that from Metal Creation, and I'm glad I did. It's something new for me, and I think if you can, or if you're willing to buy one, give it a chance. If you're into collecting premium casting, I think you're gonna love it. Looks really good, has got great details. What else I can ask for? Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.